I think I've got one. Wow, this one is huge. I can feel the weight. It must be 50 kilograms. Oh, look at this catch.
Almost there.
Welcome home. The scent of the spices is beautiful. The rice looks perfect now.
Yes, the heat is just right.
Hey. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Careful, the step is a bit high.
Got it. Holding the boat steady for you.
Thank you. Now to bring these baskets over.
With respect and warmth, we share this meal. Blessings to all.
It tastes wonderful.